Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to add skills in LinkedIn. So for this you need to open your LinkedIn account first, then go for your account, your profile. Okay, after that go for add profile section. Then in this core section you can see add skills here, so click on it and now you can choose by default from here. So I'll choose mm, this one, and okay, and go for okay, or you can check this or not, then go for save, or you can just customize it from here, add skills again, and you can just customize it from here. Okay, uh, okay, just I'll choose this one and go for save, and yeah, it's done. So if you scroll down and you can see the skills are here. So this is how you can add skills on LinkedIn. So guys, if you found this video helpful, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.